Team Buckhouse, it is time to do the video you guys have asked me to do for years now, and that is to snowboard a Walmart snowboard. This is the Sports Stuff Snow Rider 130 entry-level snowboard. It's got a durable hardwood construction, ease adjustable hook and loop bindings, and no metal edges, not for resort use, and that is why we are in the backyard park, the Buckhouse backyard, but this place is basically a resort, and we're gonna rip this thing to its full potential. But before we do, let's go over some of the schematics about this thing, because why not? So like on the paper, it said there's no edges to it. This thing is by far the stiffest snowboard you can find. So if you can't get some flex on it, I'm sure it's super poppy. The bindings are like these Velcro straps, but the weirdest part to me is this foot construction, because it like bows down and up. It doesn't look comfortable at all. But let's appreciate this sick top sheet graphic we got going on here. Nothing on the base. It's not a center base either. We did not throw any pearl wax on this, but on the base, if you look closely right here, you'll see the subscribe button. You should click that before we jump into today's video. And let's strap in and take our first turns on this sucker. Oh, I almost forgot. We got to throw an evolution sticker on this board before we rip it. This is our logo of the channel. If you want to snag one, throw it on your helmet, let everyone know you're part of Team Buckhouse. They're linked in the description. It adds 10% steez to any snowboard, even Walmart snowboards. Honestly though, these Velcro straps are gonna be a huge upgrade from the plastic ones that I grew up with. So I'm really excited actually about these. Oh. And we're in our brand new snowboard boots, so they're pretty stiff. So I think we're gonna be able to make some turns. Now 130 is a little small for me, but this was the biggest board they had at Walmart, so here we go. The nice thing is it's twin shaped, so you can go regular or goofy on this thing. And for this first drop in, we're just gonna make some turns. We're definitely gonna hit a rail if this thing holds up, so here we go. Oh yeah, we're turning, we're holding edges. Who needs metal edges? Oh, oh. Oh yeah, we got this. We're turning, we're turning. Oh, butters, baby. Is that a win? All right guys, this thing rocks, go buy it. End of the video, like, subscribe, here we go. It's daily on this channel. That's a joke. I felt like I had zero control that whole time, but let's take it again, but this time let's hit a rail. Come on, Cody, hurry up. Oh wait, you gotta unstrap. Ha! You can't just step out. New step-on bindings, baby. Should we go for the big rail? All right, guys. I don't think I've ever been this scared in the backyard park, but here we go. Whoa. I didn't tighten my bindings hard enough. We'll have to run this back. I'm like 90% sure we're gonna stick immediately. But let's find out. Oh, it's so cold. Base is holding up well. Look what it's doing to the snow. Am I seeing that? I thought it was like melting it into ice. It's just a weird shadow. Broke strap. I am so confused. I mean, this is a Walmart $50 snowboard, so it shouldn't be that mad. But this is the dumbest design of all time, because if you put your foot on there, you literally, your foot is hanging. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not touching. But if you like go too much of crazy hang, either direction. It is the most frustrating, dumbest thing ever. I cannot stand on this thing comfortably. But we are going to 100% hit this rail. I know how to make it better, slide better. Gotta sprinkle a little bit. Just a little bit on here. Wind came and took a lot of our snow away. Just a little bit of water will make us calling it right here. 100% stomp. Comment down below. Are we actually gonna stomp at this run? I don't like that. I don't do that. That's like weird. That's weird YouTuber stuff. This is like the most traditional YouTube, like kid YouTube thing we've ever done. But we're doing it. You guys really wanted this video. Oh, son! I'm a beast! Smell that, haters. This board rips. Going board slide now. Four side's a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. I add a little bit more. We'll get it. Calm down. We'll get it. Son! Oh! I'm the greatest Walmart board snowboarder of all time. Come at me. Who wants to play a game of snow? Walmart board edition. I'm ready for all challengers. Woo! But in all reality, guys, this is a toy. It is not a snowboard. If you're a young kid, you want to get into snowboarding, don't waste your money on this. You're better off going to like a Goodwill and finding a $50 snowboard than wasting $50 on this. Parents out there, do your kids a favor. Don't buy them stuff like this. That being said, my nephew Harry was out here with a plastic snowboard he got from Goodwill, and he was kind of slaying it. It will teach you the fundamentals of body position, but in all reality, it's not gonna do much for you. I was able to slightly do edge changes to kind of line myself up, but I would say this is more dangerous than it is practical or safe or good to learn on. Not a beginner board, it's more of a just play around with it. That being said, we can't call this a snowboard day if we don't actually put on a real snowboard and do something. So let's do a quick line on the actual snowboard. Okay, so we are snowboarding today. So we do gotta mention today's sticker shout out. We got Jibba _2.0 with the white Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking insane, man. And then we got Kevin Neen 21 with the Evolution face mask. Dude, thank you so much for snagging the merch, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker, once again, we threw it on the little snowboard, but also you can throw it on your regular snowboard, you can throw it on your helmet. Let everyone know you're part of Team Buckhouse, but it also supports the dream. It allows me to spend 50 bucks on a junky snowboard to make a video for you guys, as well as all the traveling and stuff that we do on this channel. So please consider snagging the merch. We have the windbreakers, as well as the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, face masks, cups. So we have so much stuff. Check out the merch store, guys. And if you do snag any of the merch, make sure you tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But follow the Instagram and the TikTok for bonus extra content. We're literally posting bonus extra stuff on all those platforms. So check it out. All right, enough talking. Let's do a quick real snowboard session. Woohoo! Woo! Count it. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for snowboarding with us today. Thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video because it's daily on this one. And I know this was a short video, so we'll see you tomorrow.